this thing working? Nah, I think it is. Hey, my name is Roxas. I'm new to the organization. They gave me a camera. I'm not too keen on technology, seeing as I'm pretty new to it. Don't have much memory on how to use it, but I'm giving it a try. This redhead helped me put it up. It's kind of weird. He's like my babysitter. A guy with blue hair, I guess his name is Sykes. He kind of assigned him to me. It's kind of weird. He follows me around everywhere and bothers the crap out of me, to be honest. But I guess he's not so bad. He gives me stuff. Got ice cream the other day. It wasn't so bad. Kind of weird tasting, but it grows on you. So I'm supposed to be keeping documentaries or a blog or whatever the hell this is on my experiences. They gave me a notebook, but I wasn't so keen on using that, so I thought I'd give this a try. So my name's Roxas. I can't really tell you much about myself. I don't really have much memory. I think I hit my head or something. Really don't know. No one really seems to know where the hell I come from. It's kind of frustrating, to be honest. I'm not the newest guy, actually. We have a new girl. She's... Out of the 14 of us, there are only 2 girls. One of them's a total bitch. Her name is Larxene. To be honest, I kind of want to kill her. The new girl, she's got black hair, kind of my size, kind of weird. We actually can resemble each other. I'm not so sure as to why, but anyway, she seems kind of familiar. But I guess I'll be keeping up on this blog, keep you guys updated on what happens. Not much is going on right now since I'm kind of new. They give me some occasional little things to do around the house. We live in a castle. Right now I'm in Twilight Town. I got my Keyblade, just chilling. So, anyways, I don't really know what to do with this thing, to be honest. I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on all the crap that's going on. I can tell you that Sykes is acting kind of weird. The blue-haired guy gave me the redhead. Yeah, Sykes. He's kind of weird. He's kind of bossy. I think he likes being bossed around, though. The other day I yelled at him and he just kind of smiled. It was kind of creepy. I'm not so sure how I feel about it yet, but I guess we'll see what happens there. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let's hope I don't get molested. See you guys later, okay? Bye.